McDonald's and host of this beauty, our super crested cockatoo. We designed to pick them up, Kakatua Galimeta, make it become Australia, and New Guinea. Now guys, super crested cockatoo use their crest as an indication if they are happy or mad. Ang mga super crested cockatoo spread their wings and left their crest as part ng kanilang panliligaw sa babaeng cockatoo, but it also an act of discouraging other male to board female super crested cockatoo. At ngayong hapon guys, ipapakita yan ni Beauty. Alright, now girl. Pakita mo kasi na kung gano'n maganda si Beauty no, eh. Okay, now girl. Spread your wings. Ayan, alright, okay, isa pa. One more, isa pa. Wait lang natin guys. And girl. Whoa. Alright, now host as part of Beauty's enrichment, cockatoos looking projects as a form of exercise and playing around to Easter boredom. Now, kuya sa akin, anong gagawin nyo? Hindi kapag siya yung baka po. And then, that is their natural behavior for someone, guys. Okay ba? And lastly, just like any other parrots, Beauty also has zygodactyl people, just like Papa. At ipapakita ulit yan ni Beauty, guys. Alright, now girl, what is zygodactyl thing nga ba? At ayan na guys. Okay, dahan-dahan lang. Ano yung speech mo dyan ha? Once you close the daddies, zygodactyl thing is actually called to the front, to the back, allowing them to grab items. And that's all for Beautiful. Palakpakan po natin sila. At syempre, si Kuya Cyril. Ito na, yung last natin ng cactus po. Tatawagin na natin, cousin to ni Beauty guys at ni George. Now may I call on Jumbo. Wait lang, sumobra. Okay, wait, Jumbo. Okay, tayo muna natin sa clip. Kuya Dexter, sumobra si Jumbo ng 5. Okay, ayan na, Jumbo. Ulit lang natin si Kuya Dexter yan, ha? Okay na, Kuya Dex. Tayo muna natin si Kuya Dexter, guys, ha? Okay, sa loob na po yung okay, now like I said po, we are still working with all the animals. Now, as long as we want to train them, we don't want to change their behavior. Okay na. Alright, now, Jumbo Boy. Hindi na muna natin sa Bigfoot. Sobrang nanilipan. Okay, now, Jumbo. Oh. Wait lang. Sabit lang talaga. Ay, ayun. Pupunta sa likod. Kuya Rex. Pupunta sa may karapat natin. Alright. O, bago tayo dyan. O, okay, bago tayo si Jumbo. No, sino sa inyo dito taga Luzon? Ay, bakit mo Luzon? Taas kamay. Ayun, si Mom. Saan kayo sa Luzon, Mom? Ha? Cavite. Ayun, welcome po sa Davao. How about the others? Sino ba taga Luzon? Ayun, si Mom. Saan